Here we have a cover me tractor cab for a Kubota L4760. And this is the heater kit that goes with it. Tuck away heater kit. Let's put that right there for now. I've never seen this box before in my life, so new to me. This is new to me. Let's be real careful opening this up. My buddy worked at a ski shop. He's all excited. Ripped open a cardboard box. Sliced through $10,000 in winter jackets. Whoa, look at that, see? Wow. Tell you what, only got a little impression, but first little impression looking pretty good. Come on. Come on, baby. Alright, so we have a box here. What do we have here? Another box. There we go. Nice sleeping bag. Let me clean this mess up. Reflective stickers, alcohol wipes, some punchy cords, swing door install instructions, and the model instructions. The quality is actually unbelievable. I mean, granted, it's not a factory cabin, but you can tell by the thickness, the weight, the zippers. Nice stuff. Clear window right there. You can handle it off somewhere. There we go. Open that. opened up, stretched out. I think that's it. Now we got one more. What else we got hiding down here? It's a big one. Woo. Look at that for a cow. Good lord. Alrighty. It's pretty unbelievable. Alright. This box has some weight to it. Be some framework. What do we have? Oh my god. Look at that package. Tell you what, man, this company certainly does know how to package their product. It doesn't get messed up. Trust me, I understand it ain't a factory cab. It ain't a Curtis cab, but it's pretty nice. Alright. The idea is just to get everything opened up. Let's take a look at the directions. Kind of let it soak in a little bit. Then I'll go get the machine, see what level of dirty it is. Because most likely I'm going to have to power wash the tractor. I'm not going to put a brand new cab on a used tractor that's never been cleaned before. It's a lose-lose situation for me. Well, let's go take a look at it. We'll go take a look at it together. How about that? Look at this. Feels like boat parts. If you're on a sailboat, I don't think they're gonna be like tent parts, but yeah, these things are all polished. Whatever they are. Look at that. It's a block. Hey, wow, really nice stuff. I have no idea the price. I have no idea how long this is going to take to assemble. Try to get some Velcro on there for you. And a wee little guy. Alright. How's that? And here's a wiper, electric wiper kit. A little curious myself how you're going to attach this to a kind of a plasticky windshield. Whoa! Look at that wire harness. Wow. These are actually Sea Dog. These are made for a boat. This is all made for living outside. More paperwork. Sea Choice. Look at that. A heavy little guy. Comes with a crappy wiper, but they give you a better wiper. That will be fun. Quick install. Stickers. Here are the directions. There's the swing door directions. These are approximate measurements. Measurements may vary depending on the curtains of the enclosure follows the fender and floorboard. Oh, good. Fortunately, if I've done this job a few times and I was confident and I knew how long it was roughly going to take, I'd film a lot more about what's going to happen right now. That's the warranty. It looks like this is some more tractor cab instructions. Important. This product does not provide falling object protection. Cover my tractor. CoverMyTractor.com. To avoid personal injury, position the tractor on the lower ground, place the loader block out on the ground, apply the parking brake shot, the engine, remove the key. Before you proceed, it is very important that you follow these instructions for a proper fit of the top and enclosure on your tractor. Please follow the mounting instructions on the following pages for a preliminary location. Do not bolt canopy onto mounting brackets until the tractor cab is completely installed in the line. Making adjustments as necessary, making sure the trim edges of the enclosure match the fenders and the floorboard. If the canopy is already installed, remove the top mounting fasteners before starting the tractor cab installation. If you have any questions, visit our website, installation instruction videos, CoverMyTractor.com, under the cover and cab enclosure gallery. Great. Alrighty, let's go get this tractor. You know what, I think we'll just power wash it a little bit. Won't go too crazy, but just get some of that cugga-mugga out of these corners and the floorboard. Yeah, L4760. This tractor belongs to a town or a city or whatever. But still, people like you and me, or like you, probably run this. So, I want to make it look good. Squirted it down a little. Wipe off real nice. Yeah. Oh God, thank God we're having a pizza party today. I am pumped. Great packaging on the shipping. Just in case anyone is seriously following along, these are kind of some of the schematics for how they want the roof to be positioned. And this roof is already attached. It was really, really close. Off an inch there, off an inch there. So I'm gonna go for it. So I'm not gonna be drilling new holes to adjust this thing around that way. But these bolts are in there correctly, according Two, the directions. I've done this many times. But that's gonna end up going on top of the roof. I don't want it pointing into the head of them bolts here. So I feel like this is the right thing to do. We'll switch these around and it'll be weatherproof now because of the roof. This washer here is rubber coated on the bottom. It's really tight. So just using the impact gun to cheat my way through. Boom. Yeah, really nice machine. They've been using it up. Down. I'm starting it by hand here. Bam. Well, that's how far we've gotten so far. I'm just gonna leave the roof alone. And if we have to make adjustments later, we can smidge it around. Well, there we go, folks. E1134 roof. Folding rocks. I don't know a lot, but it's a really nice roof. That's not the E1134. And it's just not gonna fit. I cannot get it over it. Not even close. And I've spun it around, tried it both ways. Not gonna happen. These things happen. We'll get through it. Hopefully we have one in stock. Okay, we have 3 snow pushers. Is that Fleet Putt Rod on a T-Series? T2290? You like that, don't you? Sorry. Someone was telling me that Kubota T-Series is the best tractor they make. I'm not going to argue with them. Nope. Those are one awesome little tractor. Well, let's take you for a Friday tour. I know, you guys are dying to see what's under that package out back, aren't you? What's in that crate? Someday. Yeah, anyone need tires? Let us know. Actually, the pile's getting small. Used to be twice that size. Yeah. Snow Raiders.